In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone to Samsung TV Series 6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly connect your iPhone and screen mirror anything on the iPhone to the Samsung TV. So to do this, you will have to set up AirPlay. So on the Samsung TV, go over to the menu, choose Settings, and then select All Settings once more. So you have to go over to the settings on the Samsung TV first. Now, if you haven't set up a Wi-Fi network, do so now. Inside of the settings, go over to the connection category and make sure that the same network that is being used on the Samsung TV is also being used on your iOS device, so the iPhone in this case. This will only work if you have the same network between both devices. So once you have the Wi-Fi established, go over to Apple AirPlay settings. So choose the connection category and then you will see Apple AirPlay settings. Inside, first enable AirPlay, so make sure that it is set to on. And once AirPlay has been enabled, you can choose the option to require a code. You can do this for only the first connection or every single future one. So now on your iPhone, swipe down from the top to access the control center, and by tapping this icon, you will go into the screen mirroring options. In here, as long as you are in close proximity of your Samsung TV, it is going to appear on the list of nearby devices that the iPhone can pair with, so choose your Samsung TV from the list. If needed, input the passcode from the TV onto the iPhone, and after you do this and you choose OK, the connection will be established. Now, anything that is being displayed on your iPhone's screen will be mirrored over to the TV, so you can open your YouTube, you can open Netflix, the Photos app, anything that you'd like, and the screen will be mirrored right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your iPhone to your Samsung TV. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us achieve the higher quality videos and solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.